Welcome to Buenos Aires.
Feliz cumpleaños, Fernando.
Okay, we are in La Boca. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Buenos Aires, hence also in Argentina. This is where the immigrants used to arrive from. I mean, we're just next to the water here. We're next to the river, Rio de la Plata, River of La Plata. And they used to come here, and this was the first point they would touch. So they would normally just stay here for a while, figure themselves out, and then move to other places of the country. And you can see all the old houses, and it's like looks actually like how it used to look back in the day. A lot of corrugated metal walls, and like they built the houses with whatever they had handy and the cheapest they could. So yeah, basically. This used to be a very, as well, cosmopolitan for what used to be back in the day, because you had Italians coming, you had Germans, you had Spanish, I mean mostly Spanish and Italian, but you also had German, you had a lot of people also escaping from the bad times back in Europe. They were kind of like trying to get a fresh start, and they would come to places like this.
Bueno.
Buenix.
Bueno. Buenas. Buenas. We're just taking a walk around. It's bloody cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
And
we're about to do a photo shoot. I'm going to be wearing a dress, so it's going to be even more cold. But yeah, we're just now looking for some good spots. There's a lot of people around, so hopefully
it's
a little bit more quiet.
Sorry, you can turn 180 degrees. So you see the famous
Caminito.
building of Caminito. Caminito is the name of the street, actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a very iconic corner of the city. And you have Mafalda there.
Iconic.
With flowers.
This is delicious. This is basically like a chocolate pyramid with dulce de leche inside. It tastes like Christmas. So good. So delicious. But wait, my biscuit kind of thing. Dulce de leche and chocolate. Muy bien, mama. It's Mama of Fernando. She brings us treats all day. Caminito is super touristy. There's so many people here. I think you should come early in the morning. Everybody wants to take pictures with all the colourful buildings and such. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think it's one of the top spots that people come to when they come to Buenos Aires. So yeah, come early in the morning if you want less people. Got my sunnies back on even though it's cloudy. But yeah, we've just been walking around taking some pictures with Freya. She's got her ballet shoes on. It's a really cool place to take pictures for them Instagram shots. We're also on the lookout for a tango show because this is where, I don't know if tango comes from here, but there's a lot of tango in this area, so stay tuned for that if I find it. So when the people started coming here, they built all the buildings from whatever material they could find, and still like that today. It's really beautiful, but very busy, so come early if possible. It's a nice vibe. I think Fernando is flying his drone up. I went to buy some souvenirs because I'm a tourist. I think he's flying his drone around here, so there might be some cool drone shots of the area. Argentinian cuisine, you wouldn't think particularly of pizza, maybe steak or some meats or something like that, but Fernando's brought us to a local pizza place from like a typical Argentinian pizza place. So I guess from the Italians who came here, they brought some special pizza with them.
So we are now at Las Cuartetas, which is a very famous Buenos Aires pizzeria. It's located in the Avenue Corrientes, which is the equal or similar to, I mean, not similar, but something like that, what Broadway would be in Europe. It's the street where you have all the theaters and all the night shows going on. Here, Argentina has had a big Italian influence, so we had a lot of Italians coming over and got open their places here, and that's why we have such a passion for pizza here.
The more you know about pizza. Argentinian pizza. Hawaiian is blasphemous. Don't judge me for my choice of pizza.
It is blasphemous, but that's premium.
I like it.
There you go.
I don't care if you don't like it.
He can't speak.
Jeez. This pizza is outrageous. Outrageous describes it. It's so delicious.
Outrageous.
It was raining outside. We did come to Retiro train station, which is pretty beautiful, which also has this pretty beautiful and extra Burger King. Probably the most extra Burger King in the world. The station itself is about 100 years old, well, more than 100 years old. It's 1915. 1915 in Espanol. And the Burger King, which we were just in, used to be the coffee shop of the original train station. And now it's a fancy ass train station. It's a nice place to visit, like if you want to see some train station architecture.
Buenos Aires. Welcome to Buenos Aires. I can't really. Welcome to Buenos Aires. Welcome to Buenos Aires.